overview of how to access and use OneNote through your Office 365 email. It's going to be very similar access as to Teams in your OneDrive account. So log into My UECCB and then click your Office 365 email. When it opens, you'll just click on the app launcher, choose OneNote. If it doesn't show up here, you can just click All Apps right here and scroll through till you find OneNote. This is the OneNote homepage when you access it in the internet browser. As you can see, it shows all of my notebooks that I've ever created. Some of these I've hidden from my desktop app, which is really a great thing so that I'm not like actually having to constantly sift through multiple notebooks from past semesters or past months, however you plan to use this. It also has a recent tab. It's going to show you the tabs that you have recently accessed. As you can see, I've been real busy accessing these. You can share with colleagues and students, anybody that's within our organization. I've not played with class notebooks. I may do a quick video about that later if it's very different from the regular notebooks. What's really awesome about OneNote, as you can see here, is that whether you're in the browser using OneNote or you're in your desktop application, it's going to automatically save every change in every notebook you create to your OneDrive. So you're not having to worry if your computer shut down whether your notes were saved or not. It's just going to continuously save every time there's a change. So that's really awesome. You can access that, delete things from OneDrive, but it's there for you. We're going to go to my Arkansas History notebook, and as you can see, it opens it up in a new tab. OneNote has a lot of similar capabilities to Microsoft Word document. There are a few differences that aren't available, but for the most part, you're able to do bullet points. You can insert tables, like here, pictures. You can insert a file. There's some unique little choices here that you may not have access to in Microsoft Word, which is awesome and helpful. You can also have the Draw tab, which if you have a stylus, this is very helpful. View is just like you could change page colors, page versions. Now there's some things on this ribbon that are not going to show up in the browser, in the internet browser, but they will show up when you're using the OneNote desktop app. So as I would recommend downloading that, and I'll show you how to do that real quick. If you come up here to open in the app, you can just open Pick an App. You can look for the app in the Microsoft Store. It'll take you to it. Then you can just follow the install wizard, and then you'll have access to your computer. At that point, you can pin it down here on your taskbar so that anytime that you want, it's just a click away. That's completely up to you. So if we go here and I click on my desktop app, as you can see, it just automatically pulls it up. I have access to all of the current notebooks. If I want to hide one, I can just say close this notebook. It will be saved to your OneDrive, but it will no longer be in this quick available list here, which is helpful because then you're not, like I said, sifting through 10 or 15 notebooks if you've been using this for a while. As you can see here in my math, I've been using it with my stylus. It's really awesome that you can use this. Also in Arkansas History, like in my chapter 2 here, I was able to insert pictures, use my stylus to make quick notes. I can write notes off to the side. I can type things. I can insert pictures. It's really helpful for studying and for being able to put your thoughts in order. Not everything that's available to Microsoft Word as far as some of the formatting and the grammar and some of the other options like indentions, it's not available on this. But that's okay. You don't want it. When you're taking notes, you want it to be a complete, just open consciousness. You're writing it down. You're not being confronted with constant, like, your grammar's wrong. This is wrong. And that's what I really like about OneNote, because you want to be able to just take your notes, put your thoughts, and be able to look back on it. These notes are for you. And even if they are for other people that you plan to share, they're still just notes. They're not going to be an official document. What makes OneNote unique, though, is these awesome little tabs called sections that you can create, and the way that you can add a page. So as you can see, I have chapter 1, a land inferior to none. I named my chapter. And then I also created a page that has vocab. I inserted a table and I was able to do my vocab so I can easily see this. It's really awesome. You can also hide it so that you have your whole screen to work with, and then you can unhide it and just go through this. I really like this application. I hope this helps. One last thing. You can see up here in the top hand corner that the page is syncing to your OneDrive cloud. So that's, if you see the little check mark, that's how you know it's syncing properly, that your Wi-Fi is connected. It's really awesome that you're able to do this. So anything that you're able to do will be connected on here. I hope this helps you. If you have any more questions, feel free to email me, call me, Teams me. Thanks for listening. Have a good day.